Good evening, everyone. This is Cricket Lot for Wednesday, August 20th. And tonight we are talking about, oh baby, essential oils and products for mom and baby and mom to be, or mom and baby to be, however you want to say it. So we're going to go through these slides real quick here. So we're just going to talk about oils. They can be for baby, they can be for grandmas, they can be for moms, they can be for toddlers, they can be for teenagers. It works the same for everybody. It just happens to be the pictures are geared toward newborns. So first of all, for a strong mama, if you do happen to be a pregnant mama, nausea is sometimes a problem. So keeping regular snacks can help. Pure Protein Complete is an awesome way to snack. And you can put some Ginger Vitality in there. You can put Ginger Vitality in your capsule. You can put Digize or peppermint. After you give birth, if you had an upset stomach, do not use peppermint if you're nursing, because peppermint can slow your milk production. So the ginger or the Digize are the best if you are nursing. Okay, so how about a body butter? Mix whatever oils you want to use: shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, lavender and frankincense essential oils, and just rub it on your belly. That keeps your skin elastic so you don't get those stretch marks. And then and we can use it for all of our skin, just to keep it soft and moving along. Okay, how about resting? Rutavala, let's see, Tranquil, Peace and Calming, both great things to put on your bottom of your feet or on the back of your neck. I'm gonna take a quick sip of drink here. You can put Tranquil on baby's feet. You can put Peace and Calming on baby's feet. You can put them on mama's feet. You can put them on grandma's feet. I put Peace and Calming on my wrists and my feet when I go to bed at night. So it's a great oil, my favorite. How about uplifting your mood? Tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, and bergamot in the diffuser. Or put joy, grapefruit, and bergamot in your roller bottle and then fill it up with a carrier oil. Okay, staying active during pregnancy is difficult when baby keeps growing. An Epsom salt bath with frankincense and copaiba can ease muscle tension and relax the body. And here's a comfort roll-on blend for tired muscles. 10 drops each of frankincense, copaiba, and balsam fir, and then fill the rest with a carrier oil. You can also put those 3 oils in a capsule and take it internally, and it's a great pain relief. I love it after I've been working out or working in the yard or doing some new activity that my muscles are sore.
What's that called, Cricket?
What's that?
What is that called?
It's a comfort blend.
Okay.
Morphine balm is what some people call it.
Yeah.
Frankincense, copaiba, and balsam fir.
Thank you.
So 3 to 5 drops of each in a capsule, or put 10 to 15 drops of each in a roller bottle and put carrier oil in, and then you can just roll it on the muscles that are sore. Okay, what about the diaper bag? Thieves spray is right here. That's great for cleaning areas. Thieves wipes, it doesn't come in this container anymore. It comes in a tall white container, but it's still the great Thieves wipes. And you can, tuck them in, hand purifier, all of these things, lip balm. And we're going to talk about this one in a second here. And how about a little gift basket for the new baby with Kid Sense lotion and Kid Sense shampoo and baby wash, Thieves Waterless, all of those things, Tender Tush, put them in a little basket and give it to new mom. Here's a dilution ratio for babies. Newborn in 10 milliliters of carrier oil, 1 drop, 2 to 6 months, 1 to 2 drops, 6 to 12 months, 1 to 3 drops, and then 1 to 4 years, 4 to 8 drops. And the carrier oils can be coconut oil or almond oil or vegetable oil. Or, I'm sorry, V6 vegetable oil. Okay, sleep. Baby can have lavender. You can put lavender on your skin and cuddle baby, or you can put roller ball on baby's feet with sleepy eyes and lavender. You can put sleepy eyes directly on baby's feet. So lots of options for helping them. You can diffuse sleepy eyes in baby's bedroom. There's a whole line of Kid Sense oils. They come both in a 5 milliliter bottle or a 10 milliliter roll-on. So, and they're already diluted in the roll-on, so you can just use them direct. Okay, what about calming baby? Crying, peace and calming and warm bath water to comfort them. Massage stress away on your neck and shoulders and hold baby. Be a human diffuser and just let the scents calm the baby down. And the Calm Mama roller ball is 20 drops of stress away with coconut oil, or you can get stress away already in a roll-on. So tummy jize is great if you have a baby that has colic or some kind of upset stomach. Ginger is also helpful. And tummy roller bottle is 1 to 3 drops of tummy jize and 1 drop of ginger and then the carrier oil. And you can use that for yourself too. You can buy tummy jize and use it as an adult. It's a little bit more mild than the Digize. Okay, cleaning and moisturizing is great for babies. You can put a drop of lavender in body butter. Melrose has a powerful cleansing property that you can put in on the skin. There's also Kid Sense lotion. The lavender hand and body lotion is great for babies and adults. I love it on my elbows and heels. And of course, diffusers are essential. There's a owl diffuser that has white noise sounds and lights that change. And so depending on what's going on with baby, you can put sniffles or myrtle in there if you have baby who's having trouble with breathing. It's refreshing and it's a little bit calming as well. So. And if baby's teething, frankincense or copaiba, just put it on your fingertip and then rub it on your gums, or even clove. Be sure to let it dry before you rub it on because clove is pretty strong, and baby will probably react strongly to that. And then what about diaper rash? Tender Tush. The bottle doesn't look like this now. It has a Kid Sense bottle, but it's still available as Tender Tush, and it's great for adult rashes as well in the Tender Tush area. So it's a great one for heat rash. Animal Sense ointment is also a great one for diaper rash and people rash, anything skin related. And then, of course, keeping babies' nursery and play area clean. It's great to use the Thieves Household Cleaner because you don't have to worry about baby chewing on toys that have had Thieves Household Cleaner on it. There's no toxic chemicals. You can clean their toys and clean their crib, clean their dresser, anything with Thieves Household Cleaner, and you don't have to worry about it. And put purification on a cotton ball and put it in your waste paper basket or the diaper pail, and it helps with the odors that are in there. And of course, the premium starter kit is the best way to get a lot of those oils to get started. And there we have it. We got through it. Amazing. Anyone have any questions? Did Debbie ever come back on? Okay. All right, ladies, have a great evening. Thank you.
I'll stop recording.
Thank you, Cricket.